children with Down syndrome have a 50% chance of getting leukemia. But they were like optimistic that it could be a virus or something different going on besides that. And we got the official diagnosis the next day. She's always had personality, like a big personality. She has to work harder for things that come natural for other kids. Like little typical milestones are really huge for her. And we celebrate them more because of that. She started maintenance of her leukemia treatment.
She got down a little bit, and you know, we didn't know what it was from.
And she was having trouble walking, falling down a bunch. And we had attributed it to her chemo treatment. And we brought her in for her x-rays of her neck. And the radiologist is the one that flagged her x-ray that she needed to be treated immediately, pretty much life-threatening.
So this is a 3D model of Jalanea's spine and then her skull or her cranium. And there was a point of instability right where the spine and the skull meet, which is actually very dangerous.
Being able for them to actually see a replica of Jalanea's spine and skull before operating on her and say, hey, this is the piece we need to take out. This is where we need to put the screws. That gave me more peace of mind that they were confident in their ability to do that.
We're leveraging different kinds of technologies currently, like 3D printing, virtual reality, augmented reality. So instead of having a traditional model that we use for everybody, we can have Jalanea's specific model. And the goal really is to use 21st century tools to deliver 21st century care.
But she has been a trooper through the whole thing. I watched what she went through. She still loves to play, and she's getting better every day. One day we see that things will be back to where they were at. And that's what, you know, that's what we look forward to.
There was a couple times that we were very scared that she wasn't going to make it. But would she be able to walk again? Would she be able to move her extremities? But just thankful to be a part of this technology and that it was life-saving for her.